It's just a few days before Christmas, and I want to take this moment to thank everyone for their kindness, all my Patreon patrons who have given me the support to realize this voyage, all the viewers who have helped me grow my little channel, especially all the people who have commented. The outpouring of love from all corners of the world after my injury has been phenomenal. It seems all of you are up in the skies above, shining the light for me in Galopin. We dropped anchor, turned on the music in the stove, nothing like a hot cooked meal to cap off a great day of sailing. And this song by Cape Verdean star Lura topped off the day to perfection. In the morning, Peixe gave me a call. He was at the marina and wanted to see how I was doing. So I asked him if he'd help me more at the marina. Peixe, being the ever-helpful gentleman, was present and ready. We discussed our plan. He suggested we drag the dinghy on the port side so we won't be in the way when we moor astern. One of the Vendée Globe yacht had to end their race here. Mariner Clayton would come to help us from the marina dinghy. Just watch how we do it. And here is Galopin's home, right next to Phoenix, Peter's Grand Soleil racing yacht. The whole family's here, Alec, Lily, and Jen. And now Peter will be taking us on a quick tour of our neighborhood. He's been practicing his drone skills. He's doing pretty good. Now back for another shot. Well, Peter still needs some practicing. The drone fell in the water and Peter dove in to fetch it.
You almost saved it, man.
I was going to jump while it was still in the air. I knew it wasn't coming back.
Don't worry, this is the 4th time it's gone down under. He just takes off the battery, rinses the drone with fresh water, and lets it dry. It's worked so far. And look at Galopin moored in the safe zone. It took some time to secure Galopin. The lines were jerking hard. But I had to try and walk to town. I managed, barely. I needed to get some fresh produce, which was hard to come by in my hiatus. Not even bananas. It was not as comfortable a zone as I'd expected. Then again, I should have remembered that it can be like this here. Jerk and tug. I treated myself to one of my local favorites. Fresh goat cheese topped on a crisp salad and juicy tomatoes with a pouring of balsamic vinaigrette. How's that for Christmas colors? Many visitors were off to cross the Atlantic to be in the Caribbean for the holidays. My neighbors here stayed about a week preparing to cross. They were Irish, English, German, and French. Then there is this family from Austria. Au revoir and fair winds. Me and Peter will stay. We will stay here with our friends.
Broken lines everywhere.
The pontoon is showing stress too. At one point I heard it snap, but Peixe and Bronk were here to repair it quickly. The stress had been showing on my lines, as well as on the spring here that snapped under pressure. And this guide got yanked off, broke the screws, and ended up at the bottom of the sea. But thank God I'm not alone here.
This is Clayton, and he went and fished this out from the sea for me, because it got torn off last night, and I was triste, sad. So I said, Clayton, can you help me out, man? Because he dives all the time, he fixes all the moorings and stuff, and he's cleaned out my boat. He's really cool. And then all of a sudden he just showed up, he's like, look, man, chummy. You did it, man.
I did it. All time, when you lose something, I'm here. I found for you.
Thanks, Clayton, and Merry Christmas to you. The international crew are off. Fair winds and following waves to you all. Again, me and Peter are staying here with our friends. Like my darling Wendy. Watch your step, baby.
Cuidado, man. Hola. Salta.
This year, Santa had brought her an early Christmas present.
Too feliz.
Peter was again honing his drone pilot skills. But today he handed over the controls to Lily's brothers. And so far so good. Peter showed him how the drone could follow a subject. Oops, that went slightly wrong, but no worries, the drone is back up quickly. Okay boys, let's try it again. They had never seen their city like this before. They found new pride in how beautiful their Mindelo is. Peter took control again, and with his piloting skills he takes us on a magnificent flight. And then Peter's generous heart brought us out here again. He rented this house so our crazy gang and family could have an early holiday party. There's Lily and Peter, and Mauricia, and eventually Fanny and Wendy. The girls put on their groove and never disappoint.
My baby, you know, right with you, my baby, I don't cover that, I die for you, I pray to the Lord, I rise to the Lord, gonna greet the Lord, I pray to the Lord, Fatumata Jambele.
Things seem like they will never be the same, but maybe collectively our humanity will bring us together to make the world a better place for our future. And we wish you all the most stunning beauty and oceans of love for the holidays.
You mean more to me, more to me. You are not a friend of me, no. Baby, you mean more to me, more to me. Ooh, promise, Bobby, call you back, yeah. Oh, yeah, yeah. You looking like me, oh yeah, oh yeah. You see me be like, I'm not a naughty rider. Let me please you right tonight. Don't make plans tonight, yeah, no. But get it, come here to me, come here to me, let's go. Come here, come to me, Fatumata Jambele, oh Lord. The Fatumata Jambele, oh Jambele, oh. I pray to the Lord, I rise to the Lord, gonna greet the Lord.
Merry Christmas, everyone. From out here, far away, on our little corner of the world.
Being safe again, no. Everything for your Jambele, oh Jambele, oh yeah. You are not a friend of me, no. Baby, you mean more to me, more to me. You are not a friend of me, no. Baby, you mean more to me, more to me. Keep us safe. Baby, you're keeping us safe. I see you. See. You are not a friend of me, no. Baby, you mean more to me, more to me. You are not a friend of me, no. Baby, you mean more to me, more to me. You are not a friend of me, no. Baby, you mean more to me, more to me. You are not a friend of me, no. Baby, you mean more to me.